To start or stop still image acquisition event service in Windows 10 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services. Scroll on Services screen. Find still image acquisition events. Event service. And then right click on still image acquisition events. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. Launches applications associated with still image acquisition events. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.